Are you a happy tenant if you got hornet's nest right off your door? This is like not even a joke. Are you kidding me? This is so obvious that somebody's not taking care of this property. This is such an opportunity. You want to find a distressed seller, you drive around and you look for these opportunities. They're everywhere. Hey guys, welcome to Lafayette, Louisiana. We're pulling up to a new property that I am in the process of purchasing. A whole big old apartment complex right here to my left. And I can tell you right in the very beginning, if this is the first thing I see when I roll up on the property, you can immediately tell why the seller is open to seller finance. The seller is open to selling the property to us where I don't have to come up with a loan. I don't have to deal with any banks. I don't have to worry about credit because the seller is in a distressed situation. The seller is a tired landlord. So this property, over 100 units, brings in over $100,000 a month in income, is not being taken care of. And so what today we're gonna do is we're gonna walk through the property and talk about a handful of things that are going on that I would immediately fix upon me becoming the owner of this property, and look forward to sharing that with you guys. Stay tuned. And if you guys notice things as I'm walking through this property, what you guys would fix, please make a comment down below. So guys, take a look at this. I know this is little, but if I drive in and this is my entry into my property, a couple of things I noticed. Why is this big piece of concrete in this pole sitting here? Why is this not trimmed up? This obviously hasn't been done anytime soon. Do you think these bricks just magically found themselves here today? Or they've been sitting here for weeks? Like, there is obvious, in the first 100 feet of this property, there are obvious signs of distress. The fence is falling down all the way down the backside. Does this look like somebody's doing the landscape in this property? You're walking over hedges. Bro, like literally we haven't even walked 50 feet into this property. We could spend 3 hours doing this. Look at this. Are you a happy tenant if you got hornet's nest right off your door? This is like not even a joke. Are you kidding me? And people are asking me, where's the opportunity in multifamily? Bro, right here. Right here. Right? I mean, dude, this is like ridiculous. Let's go through. You got also like a leak or something going on right here. You got multiple different types of concrete here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different times they've had to cut this concrete to fix it. So what does that tell you? The wood is warped here. It's not screwed in. I mean, dude, I just, check this out. Little stuff. The wood is getting eaten apart by the water there. It's not protected properly. It's got a decent pool, I'll give it that. But you got a pump right here. The pool pump is all busted up. Look at this, dude. Whoever's doing the maintenance here is not doing a good job. They're literally just like messing with this fence and breaking it, and then they think it's okay to just throw it back up the way it is right now. If you're a tenant, are you happy to have to walk over a piece of plywood every single day 15 times? This is how you treat your tenants, man. What I would be doing here is when we buy this property, I'll probably end up hiring a full-time handyman that lives on site, that literally just every day has 3, 4 projects and just goes by. Think about how long would that take to actually fix all this stuff, right? It would take about a year, one guy just going through and going, I got 3 projects today. I got 3 projects tomorrow. I got 3 projects the next day, 3 projects the next day. Same thing here. Water pools up, the dirt comes in. This has been going on so long that the dirt that came up on the concrete is growing grass. You see that? This is so obvious that somebody's not taking care of this property. Concrete's broken everywhere. The maintenance person that they hired is so, bro, look at this right here. You think you want your kids walking around with this metal dangling around right now where you could scratch somebody's leg up? Dude, this is ridiculous. Wood rot everywhere. They just what they did is they painted over, you see that wood that's all rotted right there? They just painted over it. Instead of sanding it, filling it up, they just filled it with paint. You see these little bubbles right here? I don't know if you can tell that that's a bubble. Can you see there's like a little bump there? That's water coming through. They just kept painting over it. Pooling water, what does pooling water mean? Pooling water means there's a leak somewhere, 1, and then 2, it means mosquitoes. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in this stuff right here. So in the summertime, this place is covered in mosquitoes. Bro, you don't care about your tenants. You straight up tell me you don't care about your tenants. This is such an opportunity. This is such an opportunity for somebody to come in here and look at this pad, just broken pad. I'm not even looking at anything inside. This is literally all outside shit. This is crazy. Landscaper lazy. Cut the vine, bro. Like, what are you doing? You know what's funny? Is they aren't cutting the vine. What they're doing is the tenants are walking on this so frequently that they're the ones that are killing the vine as they walk over it. There's so much opportunity here. Get in your damn car, okay? Get in your damn car, because here's what's cool about this. I could have driven around in here and found this deal, and I could have found problem. How happy do you think the tenants are when they look at this stuff? You think the tenants are super stoked? You think the tenants are gonna renew their lease? You think the tenants are gonna be okay with you raising the rent? Hell no. So this is what you call a value add, right? You come into a property like this, you add value, you come in and you actually fix this stuff and you make people happy that they live here, right?
Hey, yo, YouTube.
Yo, tell YouTube what's up.
At this place, Stonegate, yep, they don't fix. Plus, they got pipes broken. Plus, like, they got grass. You can't even walk in the grass.
Because it's covered in water, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, so
like I was driving my bike in the grass.
Are your parents happy about living here?
Nope, we about to move. Oh my God. I think they need a new maintenance man. The maintenance man throw the bikes away. It's just too much, and then how you gonna first before you can throw my bike away, go fix all them holes and all that.
Good point.
Bye-bye. Link on that bell.
Yes.
And subscribe button.
So guys, you heard it from the kids. I mean, how do the kids, Carter and his friend right here, they know more about taking care of the property than the freaking landlord does, bro. The maintenance person is throwing away these kids' bikes. This is ridiculous. I actually did not know all of this. If you ever have a question about how to find opportunity, just roll into any apartment building and look at this stuff. We didn't even ask those, we had to tell those kids to go away. These kids are just giving us all the information. You want to find a distressed seller, you drive around and you look for these opportunities. They're everywhere. People don't know how to manage their properties. It means that their tenants leave. 60-70% of the property is vacant. That means there's no income coming in, which means they don't have the ability to fix the problems, which now means they're in distress. They should have been renovating and putting money to the side the entire time they've owned it. Think about that. You own a property, but you take out all the cash flow and you don't repair things and they start going bad and you get used to that income. Remember when you used to not make any money and then you start making money and then you get used to that money and all of a sudden that money is like, it's not enough money? You know what I'm saying? You guys want to learn how to find these types of deals? What I would do is I would join the Elephant Challenge. We have an Elephant Challenge every single month. I would go to my DMs and type in the word elephant, or there should be a link down in the description down below. Every single month we do a challenge, how to find opportunities like this, and we show you guys exactly how to find them. Also, if you guys want to learn how I'm buying these properties with Creative Finance, there's also a link down in the description below. We'll see you in a full-length video breaking out the numbers of how I found the deal, how we're acquiring it and structuring the Creative Finance, and how we're improving the property with all the detailed numbers. We'll see you in a future video later.
Oh, we're gonna see that video in there.
Yeah, you guys will be in the video.
Thank you.